Do gaming boosters like Gearup Booster and Lagofast actually reduce your ping? Or are they just overhyped tools that don't really work? Today, we're putting them head to head, and I'll give you a real, honest verdict on which one is better and if either of them is even worth your money. So, both Gearup Booster and Lagofast claim the same thing: lower ping, less lag, and smoother gameplay, especially for games with servers far from your location. Sounds perfect, right? But here's the problem. A lot of gamers, especially on Reddit, are very skeptical about these tools. So let's break it down in simple terms. First, understand this. These boosters are not magic. Both Gearup Booster and Lagofast basically work like network routing tools, similar to a lightweight VPN. What they do is try to find a better route for your internet connection, reduce packet loss, and stabilize your connection. But here's the catch. Ping is mostly determined by physical distance. If you're in the Philippines connecting to a server in the US or Europe, no software can magically turn that into a super low ping. Even Reddit users pointed this out clearly. One user explained that if a server is 10,000 miles away, you're never getting ultra-low latency no matter what booster you use. Let's start with Gearup Booster. From what we can see, it focuses on route optimization, claims to reduce lag and packet loss, and works mainly for international servers. But here's the honest take. It's probably safe to use, but the actual performance improvement is very limited. Some users believe it might just reroute traffic like a VPN, and in worse cases, it might even make your ping look lower visually without actually improving real performance. Now for Lagofast. It markets itself more aggressively and claims faster connections, better gaming stability, and lower latency. But again, same issue. Gamers online say the effect is minimal or sometimes unnoticeable because latency depends on distance and infrastructure, not just software. Unless their routing is significantly better than your ISP, which is rare, you won't see major improvements. So which one is better? Honestly, neither. Neither is a game changer. If we compare, Gearup Booster, simpler, more basic; Lagofast, more aggressive marketing, similar results. At best, both might give you slightly more stable connection in some cases. At worst, they do almost nothing. Here's the real answer. Safe? Yes, both are generally safe. Worth buying? Probably not. They're not scams, but they're also not worth the hype or money for most users. You cannot beat physics. Distance still controls your ping. If you really want lower ping, your best options are better internet provider, wired connection, and playing on closer servers. And if you want more honest tech reviews like this, hit subscribe. I'll save you time and money.